Go, Caitlin. Go. Wait, no. Wait. Ready?
All right, begin.
Put down your head, Kaka.
Who are you? Who are you, little girl?
I came out to my little house. It's right there. That's my little turtle.
Go, help her.
Go, Tracy.
Oh, she's pushing the snow. Who are you? Who are you, my little girl?
I am Cara, the plow princess.
And who is this? Oh, this one's gonna get stuck in there. Oh, she pushed through. She's skinny? She is very delgada. Ooh, who are you, my love?
I made it. Look, another one. More. Mommy, I can't go in.
Ooh.
I can't. My wrist is showing, and it freezes my thing, and I can't be the plow princess.